ultimate mountain retreat to get away from it all. Want a unique lodging experience in a natural setting? Stargazers? Our mountaintop location of Lookout Mountain has many faces to show. Our yurts are surrounded by the mountain's trees, and with colorful scenery, you would feel autumn dancing in the mountain breeze. In winter and spring, the beautiful vistas of the Chattanooga Valley provide total serenity. During summer, you would find yourself tucked away in a peaceful forest. The space. We use a federally EPA-registered disinfectant and sanitizer, hypochlorous acid, force of nature, that kills 99.9% of germs to clean our yurts. It's just as effective as conventional cleaners with no harmful chemicals. We wipe down doorknobs, light switches, any frequently touched surfaces, sink, whole shower area, and also spray on any furniture and whole space every time we cleaned and sanitized all bed lines for every arrival of our guest. Floors mopped with disinfectant, and then run an ozone generator to neutralize indoor air for 1 hour before your arrival. The yurt offers its own kitchen with a stove, full-size refrigerator freezer with ice maker, dishwasher, microwave, coffee pot and a dining area if you want to eat in. The living area has a couch and a TV with streaming services. The bedroom has a king-size bed. There is a full bath with a shower. There is heating and cooling throughout the yurt. There is also a ceiling fan and Wi-Fi for your enjoyment. The oversized deck with an outdoor eating area is a great place to watch the sunrise, have a picnic, and to kick back day or night. Our yurts are located in a secluded mountain setting on the bluff. Our neighborhood is home to deer, turkeys, owls, hawks, and all kinds of other little critters. Our yurts are surrounded by the mountain's trees such as oak, pine, walnut, cedar, hickory, and more. At night you can see the city lights of Chattanooga in the far distance or look up and see thousands of stars. Our open area and forest would be a magical place at night for stargazing.